Let's see what flowers we've got this week. Snapdragons, Lisianthus, variegated ivy, flowering wax. We're going to cut and reduce some of the length off the ivy berry. And then position it just on right angles to each other in the vase. And remove some of the foliage off the Lisianthus, as they're commonly known. It's going to be a bit of a wild display, this one. So we're going to just take a little bit of the length off the Snapdragons and just place amongst the foliage. This one we're going to take a bit shorter, making sure you pull any foliage off, and then just angle that through, matching that side. With the wax flower, you want to cut just below a V if you get a nice bushy piece like this, to turn that into 2 pieces. Just nestle these in. Give a little spin if the stems are fighting each other. Don't forget about those little stemmy bits. You can still add them for fullness. But Lisianthus always will have multiple stems. Chop it across and turn it into 2. Now we're going to fill in the blanks. And there you have it, this week's recipe. I cracked the box in the wrong hole, does that matter?